I'm Adam, the executive chef at the Lodge at Woodlock. Today we're going to make a tomato and fennel soup. Let's get started. I'm going to turn my pan on high heat. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the pot. We're going to add garlic next, onions, carrots, tomatoes, celery, and fennel. We're going to lightly saute this up and start to develop a little bit of caramelization with the vegetables. This is definitely going to help with the flavor. Okay, once they're lightly sauteed, we're going to add a little bit of honey and a little bit of balsamic vinegar. The balsamic vinegar and the honey are going to help to add a little bit more acidity and sweetness to the soup. Next, we're going to add tomato juice and vegetable stock. Give this a stir. So we're going to cook this for about 10 minutes until the vegetables have softened, and then we're going to puree it. All right, well, it's been about 8 minutes. Let's check on our soup. Okay, so the vegetables look ready. Let's check to see if they're tender. The vegetables are tender, so we're ready to puree. I'm going to take this off the heat. Now I'm going to use an immersion blender. You can also use a regular blender to puree this soup up, but I would just recommend allowing the soup to cool down. If the soup is too hot, you might get some hot soup all over your hands, so let it cool down first just to be safe. All right, so our soup is nice and smooth. Now, if we want it to get a creamier consistency, we can add a little bit of almond milk, rice milk, or soy milk. This is going to give us a creamy consistency without giving us the added calories. It's a win-win. Okay, we have a nice smooth puree. Let's give it a taste. That tastes awesome. I think we're ready to serve. We can garnish this with a little bit of chopped basil and fennel.